Okay. Alright. So in this video, we are looking at example 22, right? So find all the values of theta for theta is between 0 and 2 pi. So you express your values in terms of pi. So A, sine negative theta equals to 0.35. Right? Sine negative theta is actually negative sine, right? Sorry, negative sine theta equals to 0.35. So 0.35, you use your calculator, shift sine 0.35. So you should get the answer is 20.5, right? 20.5 degree. Okay, so sine theta. So by the way, theta is between, this one is, if we in degree is 0 to 360. Okay, so it's easier for you to find the value in degree first, then later on we will convert it into pi. All right, so sine 20.5 degree, so this means sine is theta is negative sine 20.5 degree. So it's very basically, you can see here, negative means the sine, the angle, okay, the theta angle will be in quadrant number 3 and quadrant number 4, right? So quadrant number 3 will be 180 plus 20.5 degree. Whereas in quadrant number 4, it will be 360 minus 20.5 degree. So eventually we will get the answer is 200.5 degree, and also 360 minus 20.5, you get 339.5 degree. Okay, so you can check that the theta is between 0 and 360. Now we can convert into pi. So how to convert into pi? So we just do like this, 200.5 divided by 180 pi. Okay, and then 339.5 over 180 pi. So you will get your answer 200.5 divided by 180. Okay, is 401 over 360 pi, or 339.5 over 360 is 679 over 720 pi. Okay, so this is your answer. Right, then we go to the second question, tangent theta over 2. So look at this, theta over 2. So we want to change, when we find the angle later on, the angle must be theta over 2 first. Then we can convert into theta, right? So hopefully you understand what I'm talking about. So because theta is what we want, is 0 and 360, right? Therefore, if theta over 2 is between 0 and 180. So meaning that tangent theta over 2 equals to negative 1.07 is actually same as negative tangent. So this part, okay, we want to turn into angle. So we use, if in calculator, we use shift tangent. Okay, so shift tangent. Right, so shift tangent 1.07, you get 46.9. So you get 46.9 degree. Okay, so in negative, right? Negative. So if negative, that means now we are looking at theta over 2 in negative. So it's the angle theta over 2 will be in quadrant number 2 only. Not 4 is not in the condition, right? So in the condition, therefore 180 minus 46.9 degree. So you get 180 minus 46.9. You get 133.1 degree. So it's theta over 2. So theta is double of 133.1. Huh? So you get 266.2 degree. So change it into pi. So pi will be 266.2 over 180. Okay, 1 over 180. So you get the answer 1 over 900 pi. Okay. Let's say if in case the question didn't tell you to set the value into pi, then you need to time 3.142 lah. So therefore, if you time 3.142, so you get the answer is 4.647. Right. So radian. Okay. So this is B. Okay. C. Okay. C is a bit tough. Huh? C is a bit tough. So this one you need to listen carefully again. Right. So let me write off this part. Okay. So I just write as negative 10. Okay. So cos 2 theta is minus pi over 18. So cos 2 theta. So if this one, okay, what is cos 2 theta? This one, huh? So you can use calculator 180 divided by 18. So you get 10 degree. Yeah? So that means minus 10 degree. So equivalent to negative cos, use calculator, press shift cos 0.6582. Okay, shift cos 0.6582. So you get 48.8, right? 8 degree. Okay. So now, before we continue, then we need to find the angle for 2 theta minus 10. So here, you say, okay, 2 theta minus 10, that means 2 times theta minus 10 degree. So 2 times theta, 2 times 0 minus 10 is minus 10 degree. And 2 times 360, 2 times 360 minus 10. So you have 710 degree. So the angle that we want for cos, for this equation is 2 theta minus 10 degree is in quadrant number 2, 3, and 2 and 3 again. That means this is first cycle, second cycle, right? So it will be 180 minus 48.8 degree. This one will be 180 plus 48.8 degree. This one will be 540 minus 48.8 degree, or 540 plus 48.8 degree. Okay, why I know it's 540. So as you see, this is 360. Until here is this 360 plus 6 apply 90, 450. Here is 540. Okay, so we stick until here, right? 540. So the angle will be in here or here. Okay, so since the angle is 48.8, this one is 48.8, right? So we continue. Okay, so I think I write here 2 theta minus 10 degree. You will get, okay, 180 minus 48.8. So you get 131.2. Okay, and then 180 plus 48 is 228.8 degree. Then 540 minus 48.8, you get 491.2. Lastly is 540 plus 48.8, you get 588.8. Huh? Okay, then 2 theta will be equals to u. This is 10 degree, right? Minus 10. So you move, become positive plus 10. So it will become 141.2 degree. 238.8 degree. And then you have 501.2 degree and 598.8 degree. Hence, theta is divided by 2. Huh? So divided by 2. Okay, 141.2 divided by 2 is 70.6 degree. 238.8 divided by 2, you get 119.4 degree. 501.2 divided by 2, you get 250.6 degree. And lastly is 598.8 divided by 2, you get 299.4 degree. Okay, so you can check your answer first. So this means cos, right? You can check cos 2 times 70.6 minus 10 degree. So you get negative 0.6582 or not. Huh? So cos 2 times 70.6 minus 10. Okay, so you get negative 0.65 at 7. Huh? Okay, so it's almost there because this one we round off to 1 decimal places. Okay, so if you want to be more accurate, then you change into 2 decimal places, then you'll be more accurate. Then lastly, we change into pi. So change into pi is 70.6 by 180, pi 119.4, 360. Sorry, 180, yeah, not 360. Right, 180 pi and 250.6 over 180 pi, and lastly 299.4 over 180 pi. Okay, so you will get the value is 0.393 pi, 0.665 pi, 1.665 pi, and 1.395 pi. Okay, so I think it's correct. Let me check. So, almost correct. 19.4 divided by 180 is 0.663. Okay, this one is, so the decimal, the front 2 decimal is almost correct, but the last one will be depends on how accurate your calculation. So here is pi. Then lastly is 250.6 divided by 180. So is 1.392. On 250.6 divided by 180. Okay, so it's 1.392. All right, so 1.392 pi, and lastly is 299.4 divided by 180. So you get 1.663. Okay, lastly is 1.663 pi. So you get answer, you can leave your answer as decimal, or you can leave your answer as fraction like this. Okay, so if anything is okay. So this is very important. So why got negative? So be careful, negative. So in case it is a tangent and sine, then we need to use negative here. All right. Okay. So this is the video for example 22.